today myself and Charities Crossing are here at Windsor to be with them for their Christmas brunch. I just wanted to come by Windsor since my constituents are here just to spread some holiday cheer. And again, like I said, Charity Crossing and myself, we wanted to come and give out socks. We wanted to give out some candy and just say happy holidays to the residents here at Windsor. And after we leave from Windsor, we will be going over to Harlee across the street to do the same thing, just to, again, to say happy holidays and to wish everyone a happy new year.
Thank you, Michelle, for giving us the opportunity to come here today. We are from Charity Crossing. We distributed the socks that were donated by Joy of Socks, Bombas, and Carroll Academy students who collected all these socks, gloves, and candies. So we are here to wish them a happy holiday, and thank you all for the support from Charity Crossing. Thank you.